So this is also shot with a filter. This is a Federal Signal Solaris dash light. I do believe it's originally was designed for a rear deck, looking at the shroud, but it can be used in the front. We've mounted a few of them. So I'm going to go through some of the flash patterns. Of course, Federal Signal has some pretty cool flash patterns that others don't. This thing is brand new, absolutely brand new. Also has a Mode 2 override, which I'll show you in a minute. That's one of the more different patterns that it has. It's insanely bright. It's blinding me. I have the camera zoomed in on it, and I also have a darkening filter put on it. But these are flash patterns and a video requested by a customer. So here you go, sir. These are the 9 LED Solaris light heads. And I'll show you now the override wire. I'm going to connect that to 12 volts. Okay, so there's the override. I just got it set to a regular wig-wag. Hold on, let me get that connected right. Okay. Alright, so there's the override, and then on the override, of course, you can switch through the patterns. Like, let's say you wanted the override to be for code, responding code. You can put it on something a little bit faster. And of course, there is a steady burn pattern. There's the steady burn. So if I take the mode override off, it takes us back to the original mode. Go through these patterns a little bit more here. I will tell you, this thing is crazy bright. And there's that override again. Override, flash, override, flash. It is crazy. Crazy bright. There's kind of a shot of it backed off a little bit. Let me put that darkener on again. It darkens it just a bit, which, I mean, if I take the thing off completely, it'll just drown this thing out. It really is just insanely bright. I think I can darken it. I guess that's about as much as I can darken it. Sorry guys, this was a quick video. I had to run down to the shop after hours and take this for a customer. I don't even know. It seems like this thing is drowning out the camera pretty bad. I mean, it's insanely bright. You know, what you can expect from FedSig for sure. So there it is.